Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw easy house scenery for kids. Let's get started. First, I'm drawing house, chimney, door, window, plants, now I'm going to draw a tree. Now let's draw some more trees. Sun. Let's make it more neat and prominent. And here comes my favorite part, coloring. I'm using pink color. You can use any color you like. Orange color. Purple color, brown color. For door, I'm using brown color. Light green color for plants. Brown color for tree trunk. Again light green color for tree. Dark green color for more trees. Blue color for cloud. Yellow color for bright sun. Dark blue color for chimney. Brown color. Green color for grass. And there we have it, our beautiful house scenery. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching.